Welcome to an intel briefing on the war you might not be seeing, Russia's increasing subsea activity north of the United Kingdom. Over recent months, UK and NATO-aligned sources have consistently highlighted an increased presence of Russian naval and submarine assets in the North Atlantic, particularly north of Scotland. This isn't just about attack submarines. The vessels involved point to specialized deep-sea and undersea warfare capabilities. One key vessel repeatedly cited is the Yantar, officially designated for oceanographic research, but widely assessed as Russia's premier intelligence and seabed mapping platform. We also see Russian submarines linked to the main Directorate of Deep Sea Research, which specialize in complex seabed operations, cable interaction, and deep-sea reconnaissance. The waters north of the UK are highly strategic, hosting some of the world's most critical civilian and military infrastructure. Undersea data cables carry roughly 95% of global internet traffic, connecting North America to Europe, financial systems, and military communications. This area is also vital for energy, encompassing North Sea oil and gas pipelines, emerging offshore wind infrastructure, and critical LNG routing dependencies. While no confirmed attack has occurred, intelligence assessments consistently point to four distinct preparatory activities. First, high-resolution seabed mapping is underway, identifying the precise routes of cables, pipelines, and infrastructure nodes, suggesting pre-positioning for future operations. They are also identifying vulnerabilities, choke points, bottlenecks in repair, and gaps in system redundancy to maximize disruption with minimal effort. Furthermore, this activity serves as a present signal to NATO and preparation for gray zone operations, activities below the threshold of war that maintain plausible deniability. This subsea activity is not about a traditional military threat. It signals a modern shift towards systems warfare. Modern conflict increasingly focuses on disrupting systems rather than destroying physical targets, creating systemic instability. Undersea infrastructure presents a perfect target because it is hard to monitor, difficult to defend, and critically, slow to repair. The real risk is not a dramatic explosion, but a slow, persistent degradation of our systems. This manifests as intermittent outages, unexplained internet latency, and degraded systems across critical sectors. Over time, this steady pressure causes confidence to drop, markets react negatively, and political pressure builds internally across NATO countries. This pattern ties into the broader theme of the vulnerable system layer of the global economy. The fiber optic cables and pipelines aren't just infrastructure. They are the nervous system of the global economy, making disruption highly strategic. In conclusion, the activities we are observing north of the UK are not confirmed sabotage. They are preparation for future systemic disruption.